To upload the HomeGenie firmware to your ESP device, connect the device to a USB port on your PC. Open the HomeGenie website and navigate to the firmware upload page. In the firmware upload form, click the Create Device button. On the subsequent screen, click the Continue button, select the appropriate USB port from the list, and confirm your selection. Wait for the firmware to be uploaded to your device. After the upload completes, reset the device. The LED will start blinking rapidly. Click the Initialize Firmware button on the upload form to finalize the firmware upload. Your new HomeGenie Mini device is ready to rock.